we're gonna be trying to convert this door into a block. Okay. So first thing you guys have to do is you guys have to be in the right view. Okay. So to convert this thing to a block, just simply write or type in block, and it will be automatic. It will show up the screen block definition. So just put up a name. So put whatever name you guys want. So door 3D number 2, because this is another project that I did. Okay. Number 2. Okay. So base point, objects, and behavior. So on the base point, if you specify on screen, then it'll let you specify where the base point of the block will be when you insert a block. And then the object is the object. You select the object that you want to convert into a block. And then annotative, allow exploding, so you can, if you want to explode it, if you want that option, then you guys can click this. If you guys don't want it, you guys can uncheck it. Scale and annotative, to follow a specific scales and all that. So first all I'll do is I'll select the object. So just select the object, boom, enter, and then specify on screen. Once you guys check this, it will appear this options again. These options will appear again if you have this specify on screen check. Block unit millimeters is correct, and okay, boom. Then specify insertion base point. Okay, so this is where you guys specify where the base point is. So here, okay, boom, and there you have your block created. Now, if you want to see your block, you guys can go in drafting annotation and click insert, or you guys can all if you guys are is in 3D modeling, you guys can go to insert and right here, insert right here. So door 3D number 2 is the one, and there's the base point, right? And you guys can insert this anywhere in your project, and that's it.